Namaskar, this is Anuj Mahajan, Managing Partner, Education Work, Gurdaspur. Today I have brought the analysis of JEE Advance. This year, JEE Advance was held on 3rd of October 2021. The JEE Advance this year was having 360 marks for the first paper. The total number of questions were 57 for the first paper. Exam conducting authority was IIT Kharagpur this year. Exam conducting authority was IIT Kharagpur. The first paper was held from 9 am to 12 noon. The second paper from 2:30 to 5:30. For PWD candidates, persons with disability, 1 hour extra is given. For paper 1, there were 4 sections. And again for paper 2, there were 4 sections. Total qualifiers for JEE Advance were 2.5 lakhs. Nearly 10 lakh students appeared in the JEE Mains examination. And 2.5 lakhs could qualify for the JEE Advance examination. JEE Advance examination is not having any normalization. As in JEE Advance, no normalization. As in JEE Advance, same paper is there for all the students. Pattern changes every year. This year the pattern was 19 questions each from physics, chemistry and mathematics. So total 19 into 3, 57 questions were there. Marks were 180 for one paper. As there were 2 papers, 180 into 2, 360 marks were there. Now we will discuss paper 1. Paper 1. Last year there were 3 sections. Now this year there were 4 sections. 4 sections were there. Section 1 this year was consisting of single correct answer questions. There were 4 questions in section 1. Every correct answer was having plus 3 marks. Single correct means single option would have been correct. And minus 1 for the incorrect. Plus 3 for the correct. Minus 1 for the incorrect. Single option was to be correct. In section 2, the question were of the answers were of numerical value. The total number of questions was 6. The value was up to 2 decimal places. Numerical value was up to 2 decimal places. Plus 2 marks were to be awarded for the right answer. 0 mark for the wrong answer. Means there was no negative marking in section 2 of paper 1. In section 3 of paper 1, there were 6 questions with the option of multiple correct. Means there could have been 1 correct or more option correct. There can be 1 option also to confuse the students. Plus 4 for the complete correct answer. Minus 2 if any answer is incorrect. Plus 1 for answering partial correct answer. Or for answering 1 correct option. So plus 4 and minus 2. 6 questions were there in section 3. In section 4, this was new addition, non-negative integer. This was new addition, section 4. And the question was non-negative integer greater than 0. Non-negative means greater than 0. Plus 4 marks for the correct answer. And 0 marks for the incorrect answer. Means there was no negative marking. So total questions we are going to count. For paper 1, 4 questions were in section 1. 6 question in section 2, 6 question in section 3, and 3 question in section 4. Total became 19 questions. 19 questions in one subject. So 57 questions in 3 subjects. Total marks allocated were 360 for 2 papers, 180 for 1 paper, 180 for 1 paper. And this year, the category of paper 1 was easy to moderate. It was easy to moderate one. Easy to moderate one. Now we will discuss paper 2, which was held from 2:30 to 5:30. 2:30 to 5:30 in the afternoon session. Again, paper 2 was consisting of 57 questions. Paper 2 was consisting of 57 questions, 19 each from physics, chemistry and mathematics. There were 4 sections again in paper 2. 4 sections. 180 marks, 4 sections. In section 1, there were 6 questions. 6 questions were there. And the type of the question was with the answer of the multiple correct. With the answer of multiple correct. Means there could have been 1, 2, 3 or 4 correct. A, B, C, A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D. 1 correct, more than 1 correct. Multiple correct. For complete correct answer, plus 4 would be awarded. Complete correct. For any incorrect, minus 2 would be awarded. And for answering the partial correct, or for answering one correct option out of the multiple option, plus 1 would be awarded. In section 2 of paper 2, the questions were of the category having answer numerical value. Numerical value. There were 6 questions this year, 2021. Exam was held on 3rd of October 2021. We are discussing regarding second paper, which was held from 2:30 to 5:30. Plus 2 for the correct answer. Plus 2 for the correct answer. 0 for all other cases. Means no deduction, no negative mark. In section 3, the questions were of the category having answers as single correct. Single correct type. There were 4 questions of this category in section 3. Single correct. Plus 3 for the correct answer. Minus 1 for the incorrect answer. Plus 3 for the correct answer. Minus 1 for the incorrect answer. And in section 4, non-negative integer. This was new addition. Non-negative integer means answer would have been greater than 0. Non-negative. Should not be negative. So answer would be greater than 0. 3 questions were in this category. Plus 4 for the correct answer. 0 for the other cases. Means there was no negative marking in section 4 also. There was no negative marking in section 4. Total number of questions I am going to add up. 6 questions from section 1, 6 from section 2, 4 from section 3 and 3 from section 4. The total number of questions were 19. 19. So, in 3 subjects the total number of questions were 19 into 3, 57. We have to do. Marks were 180. The category of the examination of paper 2, it was moderate to tougher one. It was slightly tougher than the first paper. Paper 1 was more easier than the second. Same was the pattern last year. Last year also in 2020 paper 2 was tougher one. This is also paper 1 was easy to moderate, paper 2 was moderate to tough. Thank you very much.